Una po sa ating mga balita, nagpulong sina Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. at U.S. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth kung saan tinalakay ang pagtutulungan pagdating sa seguridad at depensa. Ang detalye sa balitang pambansa ni Kenneth Pasyente ng PTV Manila.
Pagpapalakas ng ugnayan partikular sa depensa. Diyan sumentro ang pulong ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. at U.S. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth. Sa courtesy call ng U.S. official kay Pangulong Marcos Jr., natalakay ang pagsusulong ng usaping pangdepensa. Giit ng Pangulo, isang mahalagang mensahe ang pagbisita ni Hegseth sa bansa. Nangangahulugan kasi anya ito ng matatag na commitment ng Estados Unidos, lalo na sa usapin ng kapayapaan sa Indo-Pacific region.
Your visit to the region, and especially the fact that you have come to the Philippines as your first stop, is a very strong indication and sends a very strong message of the commitment of both our countries to continue to work together to maintain the peace in the Indo-Pacific region within the South China Sea. And I know that the work that we will do in the time that you have here, brief as it is, in the time that you have here in the Philippines will be extremely productive and very, very important for as we chart our way into the future, considering how complicated geopolitics has become.
Binigyang diin din niya ang matagal ng kooperasyon sa pagitan ng bansa at US, lalo na ang suporta nito sa pagsusulong ng Pilipinas sa soberanya nito nang hindi gumagamit ng dahas.
You are our only treaty partner and have and continue to be the supporter for peace in this part of the world, and we have always understood the principle that the greatest force for peace in this part of the world would be the United States.
Ipinarating naman ni Hegseth ang mensahe ni US President Donald Trump na nagpaabot-anya ng kahandaan na maipagpatuloy ang alyansa, pagkakaibigan at kooperasyon ng Pilipinas at US. Ipinunto rin nito ang kagustuhan ng US na ma-expand ang military-to-military cooperation na anyay kapwa kapaki-pakinabang sa dalawang bansa.
And he and I both want to express the ironclad commitment we have to the Mutual Defense Treaty and to the partnership, economically, militarily, which our staffs have worked on diligently for weeks and weeks and months. There is a very real reason why our first trip and our first visit is here to visit you in your great country.
Pinuri rin ni Hegseth ang pagtindig ng bansa para isulong ang soberanya nito sa West Philippine Sea. Kasabay ang pagbibigay diin sa kahalagahan ng pagtutulungan para tuldukan ang anumang gulo. Ipinunto rin niya ang kahalagahan ng deterrence o mga estratehiya para makaiwas sa kaguluhan sa South China Sea.
Deterrence is necessary around the world, but specifically in this region, in your country, considering the threats from the Communist Chinese, and that friends need to stand shoulder to shoulder to deter conflict, to ensure that there's free navigation. Whether you call it the South China Sea or the West Philippine Sea, we recognize that your country has stand very firm in that location and in defense of your nations.
Dumating kagabi si Hegseth na sinalubong ni US Ambassador to the Philippines Mary Kay Carlson. Bahagi ito ng kauna-unahang official visit ni Hegseth sa Asia Pacific bilang Defense Chief. Bukod sa Pilipinas ay bibisita rin ng US official sa Japan, Hawaii at Guam.